Hi, Tanvir here. I'm a SEO consultant, and I'm no stranger to Upwork, Elance, Odesk, you name it. When Odesk and Elance merged and became Upwork, that's when I lost grip of hours. I believe it was over 400 hours worth of work from Elance, which never got transferred over to Upwork. But anyway, I'm no stranger to this platform or to freelancing at all, right? So I do data-driven SEO. What I do is I have a proven method that I use Python and I have OpenAI to merge together, and there's this other protocol that I use called Langchain, which allows us to combine data and turn those data into actual headings, right? So what I do is actually take your direct competitors' keywords and I do that from Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Planner, because nobody knows Google's data better than Google. I don't care what kind of third party you use, software you use, or plugins or whatever, but every software or third party plugin for SEO has advantage and a disadvantage. I have been doing this for the last 4 years, and we have been really successful for the past 2 years, right? And every client that I do work with tend to rank fast. And the reason they do that is because when I create different sets of data for different pages for the website, straight from your competitors, straight from your direct competitors, and I look at 4 different aspects before selecting the headings for on-page SEO. So what I'm looking at is the most bang for the buck, right? So the way it's structured is the average monthly search, your 3-month search, your 3 months volume, and your YOY, year after year. And then if there's any cost for pay-per-click for Google Ads, it has on there. So the minimum to the maximum for that keyword. So based on that, I'll use that to turn those into your long tail keywords for your headings. And then from your heading structures, I'll create the content using Google NLP, which is natural language process, and Google's entities, Google knowledge graph entities. So that's basically my method, and what I usually do is once I build out the pages, I'll have that matching with Google My Business, which is totally aspect of optimizing your Google My Business, right? And it works hand in hand. In Google My Business, Google Maps, local citations, we do all that. So if I can have 20 minutes of your time, I'll be more than happy to show you what I'm talking about, how I can help. Thank you so much, appreciate it.